Hi everyone, this is Seetified, psychologist at the Bird Nest. I'm back with a new video, and this time we're going to be talking about the feeling of frustration. This choppy price action by Bitcoin must be frustrating for many of you. I will discuss this in this short video and share a tip with you on how to deal with it. So perhaps, with this choppy market, you have been stopped out of trades. And then you start questioning yourself, why is this happening again? That was such a good trade idea. But what did I do wrong? And you start questioning your trading abilities. And because of that, you get frustrated, irritable. And as a result, you might start acting out, taking it out on others like your loved ones. You might then start feeling vulnerable and may want to revenge trade to get it all back, all those losses, and trade without a plan, without keeping in mind that Bitcoin's price action can ruin it all once again. This is just a scenario that can get you frustrated, and there are lots more that can happen in trading. We can see in this cycle how getting stopped out in the choppy market can really trigger negative feelings of frustration. And if not managed well, you might do something that is really uncharacteristic of you, making you vulnerable when it comes to trading decisions. If the cycle continues, we get more and more vulnerable, and our trading decisions can get more and more dicey. You might also eventually get burned out if it's not managed well. But we don't want to get there, do we? So how can we learn to manage these feelings of frustration? I like to think of frustration as a distress signal. It is the way our body, mind telling you, I need help. Please help me. So it is our job to ascertain what the underlying cause of it is and what our need is in this situation when you are frustrated. It can be as simple as not doing well with your trades, or being frustrated with why everyone seems to be able to trade this chop with you, but you. Remember that whatever is being portrayed by other traders may not be the full picture, and you should avoid a comparison trap and not be comparing yourself to them. But I digress. You may have more secondary underlying needs that are unmet that's causing all this frustration. Perhaps you've been trying so hard to trade and to make some profits fast that you have neglected basic needs, asking yourself such as, have I been sleeping well? Have I neglected exercising or even eating well? Or moreover, maybe you're so absorbed with trading that you're not giving yourself some me time. Me time is so important together with all the other basic needs that I've just mentioned. These are all basic needs that we as humans need to keep ourselves safe mentally and to keep ourselves from burning out. This can all add up and take a toll on your frustration and can be really, really overwhelming when it comes to making trading decisions. So I highly encourage you to choose one basic need that you may have been neglecting and work on it. And once you have dealt with that, you can move on to the other basic needs that you perhaps have also been neglecting. So remember that we are all human. We need to recharge, refuel, to conquer whatever battles that may be coming ahead. And you need that all to deal with the whales. So take some time off if necessary and deal with this frustration. And you'll be a much better trader after you come out of this. And you can handle it when you ever have to deal with such choppy price action or any other situation that can trigger your frustration. Thank you all, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on Twitter. I'll be happy to answer them. Take care, everyone.